Please like, subscribe, and activate the alert so you never miss a new video. Don Don Donki is a chain selling Japanese products. Stores are playing strongly the Japanese concept. They are very leg-imitate to do so. It is the international division of Don Quijote, a well-established Japanese discounter. Section are always very well identified. $119 new Taiwan dollars equals 4 US dollars. Less is more is clearly not valid here. You can find all that you need in this store. They really sell from everything. Donpin, the penguin, is all around the store. How many different influencers lights are available? Please answer in comments. Beauty major brands are also available. Her name is Donko. This store is just amazing. I let you enjoy it by yourself.